Halloween is a time for phantoms, frights, and finger foods. So eat, drink, and be scary with a vegan charcuterie board. First, procure a skull. No questions asked. Build your bony foundation. Crackers for shoulders and a neck bone, a Fougasse loaf for a rib cage, and vegan pepperoni snaking like intestines. Blood-red pickled turnips for the heart. Then flesh out the body with carrots, bell peppers, and watermelon radishes. Stuff black olives with non-dairy cream cheese and press them into the skull's empty sockets. They will stare back at you while you eat the rest. Pumpkin-shaped vegan cheddar cut with a cookie cutter cursed by the spirits of autumn's past. Scatter grapes, cornichons, and sinister vegan compound butter skulls seasoned with garlic, basil, and sun-dyed tomatoes. If you dare to recreate this delectable nightmare, descend into the depths of cadrieskitchen.com, where the recipe awaits.